Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Ford Explorer into neutral with a dead battery. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This prevents any unexpected rolling. Next, you'll need to locate the small access cover near your gear shifter. It's usually a small, rectangular, or square piece that you can gently pry open. Once you've located the access cover, use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to carefully pry it open. Apply gentle pressure to avoid scratching or damaging the surrounding console trim. The cover should pop off, revealing a small button or lever underneath. This is the manual shift interlock release. With the access cover removed, you'll see the shift interlock release button or lever. Press this button down firmly and hold it. While keeping the button pressed, move the gear shifter from park into the neutral position. You should feel it click into place. Double-check that the shifter is fully engaged in neutral before releasing the button. Now that your Ford Explorer is in neutral, you can release the parking brake when you are ready to move the vehicle. It can now be safely pushed or towed as needed. Remember to reinstall the shift interlock access cover once you're done. This simple process allows you to move your vehicle even with a completely dead battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.